Hello, my name is Darren Hart, Senior Service Technician here at Raypak. After watching this video, you will be able to connect the Centrotherm polypropylene venting to an XFyre. Models H7 700A and H7 850A are not approved for use with this type of material and must use stainless steel venting. Improper installation, adjustment, alteration, service, or maintenance can cause property damage, personal injury, exposure to hazardous materials, or loss of life. Failure to install a condensate drain in the venting system may cause a non-warrantable condition for this unit. Follow Raypak and the vent manufacturer's instructions for installation and location of the condensate drain. Condensate drain must be trapped and primed with water to prevent flue gas leakage and must be routed to an appropriate container for treatment before disposal, as required by local codes. The venting system must conform to local codes and/or the current edition of the National Field Gas Code. A field-installed vent adapter supplied by Raypak must be used to ensure a proper seal of the flue and condensate. The D33 kit will include a required vent temperature limit. The tools you will need are a drill with a Phillips head bit and a 5/16 inch driver, a ratchet with a 1/4 inch drive and a 5/16 inch socket, a combustion analyzer, and a measuring tape. The components you will need are a Raypak D33 kit, vent pipe with test port, T, a condensate drain cap, Long John siphon, and Centrosarin lubricant. Using your drill, remove the 9 screws and pull the flue exhaust access panels off the unit. Disconnect the orange block vent hose for easier access. Disconnect the yellow, blue, and white orange wires from the vent limit. Use your ratchet with 5/16 inch socket to loosen the strap. Remove and discard the factory-installed manual reset vent limit. The new vent limit supplied with the Raypak D33 kit is rated for a higher temperature and must be changed to prevent failure to the vent system. Install the manual reset vent limit switch that was supplied with the D33 kit. Attach the yellow, blue, and white orange vent limit switch wires to the vent limit terminals. The vent limit switch must be located on top of the stainless steel flue outlet. Using your ratchet and socket, tighten the strap. Reattach the orange block vent hose to the barbed fitting. Reinstall the flue exhaust access panels and tighten the screws with your drill. Insert the D33 vent adapter into the flue exhaust adapter and tighten the restraining clamp. Before installing polypropylene, ensure the gray gasket is properly seated in each piece. Use a small amount of lubricant along the gray gasket. Install the T into the D33 vent adapter. Install the vent pipe with test port hole into the T. The test port hole must face the side of the unit. Install the condensate drain cap onto the bottom of the T. Connect the Long John siphon onto the condensate drain cap. Route the Long John siphon hose to an appropriate condensate treatment system. Raypak recommends a minimum of 24 inches from the rear of the unit to the outside of the vent system to allow adequate space for plumbing and service. The polypropylene T should slope 1/4 inch per foot towards the unit for proper drainage. Use a measuring tape and adjust as necessary. Continue installing the remainder of the vent material until it exits the building. Be sure the vent complies with the National Fuel and Gas Code. Spacers must be used when penetrating walls and ceilings. Any horizontal run of vent pipe must be supported a minimum of every 5 feet. It is important to check your unit's combustion. Remove test port plug. Adjust the combustion analyzer probe to extend only to the middle of the vent pipe. Insert the probe tip into the vent and thread it in until secure. Run the combustion analysis with the unit at full fire and properly adjust your CO2 and your CO. After the combustion test is complete, remove the probe and reinstall the test port plug. The venting system should be examined at least once a year. Check all joints and vent pipe connections for tightness, corrosion, or deterioration. For more information about this product, visit us at raypak.com. Please subscribe to the Raypak channel on YouTube for additional how-to videos.